This is the Speediance Gym Monster, and according to the company, it can basically replace an entire gym while fitting into a corner of your apartment. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, after digging through expert reviews and seeing what real users are saying, I found one thing the ads don't really talk about. And honestly, it could completely change whether this thing is worth your money or not.
So what exactly are we looking at? This is an all-in-one smart home gym designed to compete with systems like the Tonal and even traditional cable machines. It uses digital motorized resistance instead of weight plates, packs in a giant touchscreen, and promises hundreds of guided workouts right from your home. It's aimed squarely at busy professionals, apartment dwellers, and honestly anyone who wants a high-tech gym setup without dedicating an entire room to squat racks and dumbbells. The biggest selling point? No monthly subscription is required for core functionality, which is a pretty big deal in this category.
Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in real life? Here's the thing, the Gym Monster is surprisingly smooth. The digital resistance reacts almost instantly, and that makes exercises like rows, curls, and deadlifts feel way more natural than I expected. There's no clanking metal, no loading plates, and switching between workouts takes literally seconds. One of the coolest parts is the adaptive resistance. If you're struggling during a set, the machine can automatically reduce resistance slightly to help you finish your reps. That sounds gimmicky at first, but in practice, it actually feels incredibly smart and encouraging. For strength training, most people are going to be very happy here, but it's not perfect. If you're an advanced powerlifter moving massive weight, the resistance ceiling could eventually feel limiting compared to a traditional barbell setup. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First up is the digital weight system. Instead of physical plates, the Gym Monster uses motorized resistance, up to around 220 pounds combined. Why should you care? Because changing resistance is instant. No wasted time. That keeps workouts flowing and honestly makes it easier to stay consistent. Then there's the smart coaching system. The touchscreen guides you through workouts with form demos, rep tracking, and performance analytics. It's kind of like having a virtual trainer standing right there with you, minus the awkward small talk. Another standout is the different resistance modes. Eccentric mode increases resistance during the lowering phase of a movement, which can seriously challenge your muscles in ways traditional weights don't always do easily. And portability deserves a mention too. Compared to bulky home gyms, this folds down into a surprisingly compact footprint. If you live in an apartment or smaller home, that's a huge win. Design and build. Aesthetically, Speediance really nailed the futuristic look. The machine has this sleek black and silver design that honestly looks more like premium tech than gym equipment. The touchscreen feels responsive, the frame feels sturdy, and overall it gives off a very polished vibe. It doesn't scream garage gym. It actually blends into modern living spaces surprisingly well. Now, because it's compact, some taller users might find certain movements slightly restricted depending on ceiling height and room setup. And while the folding design is practical, it's still a heavy piece of equipment. You're not casually moving this thing around every day. Pros: no mandatory subscription for core features. Fast setup makes workouts easier to stick with. Smart resistance modes genuinely add training variety. Cons: advanced lifters may outgrow the resistance limit. Software polish still trails bigger tech brands. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for? And is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone who wants the convenience of a smart home gym without turning your garage into a commercial fitness center, the Speediance Gym Monster makes a ton of sense. It's compact, smart, surprisingly versatile, and honestly kind of addictive to use. If you're a hardcore bodybuilder or competitive powerlifter, you'll probably still prefer traditional free weights eventually. There's just something unmatched about moving heavy iron. But for busy professionals, tech lovers, beginners, or intermediate lifters, this might genuinely be one of the most practical smart fitness systems available right now.